The Real Buhari, Untold Stories. The Unyielding Leader. Muhammadu Buhari. Muhammadu Buhari, Nigeria's former president, has left an indelible mark on the nation's history. From his humble beginnings to his rise as a prominent military leader and later, a democratically elected president, Buhari's story is one of resilience, determination, and unwavering commitment to public service. Dear viewers, welcome to my channel, where we explore the lives of influential leaders. Today we are delving into the captivating biography of a prominent Nigerian leader and former head of states and a former president of Nigeria called Muhammadu Buhari. From his earlier days to his rise as a prominent military leader and later a democratically elected president, Buhari's story is one of resilience and determination. His early life and education. Muhammadu Buhari was born on December 17, 1942, in Dora, Katsina State. Buhari hails from Fulani family. He attended Castina Provincial Secondary School and later enrolled in the Nigerian Military Training College. Buhari's military career spanned several decades, during which he rose through the ranks to become one of Nigeria's most prominent military leaders. Muhammadu Buhari, head of state and presidential career. When Buhari was Nigeria head of state with Idiogbon, they were marked out by significant policy initiatives, also as a president, which includes 1. Anti-corruption efforts. His administration launched several high-profile corruption cases against politicians and government officials. 2. Economic reforms. Buhari's government implemented various economics reforms aimed at diversifying the economy and reducing dependence on oil. 3. Security reforms. His administration focused on addressing security challenges, particularly in the Northeast, where Boko Haram had been active. He played a significant roles during the Nigeria Civil War. He served in top command positions before leading a coup against Shehu Shagari's civilian government in 1983 that later made him then head of state. As a military head of state, late Muhammadu Buhari seized power on December 31st, 1983, and led Nigeria as a military ruler then. He implemented policies like the war against indiscipline, WAI, economic austerity, and strict media censorship. Overthrown by General Ibrahim Babangida on August 27, 1985, he returned to politics. Buhari returned to politics and ran for president multiple times. In 2003, he lost to Olusegun Obasanjo under the All Nigeria People's Party, ANPP. In 2007, Buhari lost to Umaru Yar'Adua under the ANP. In 2011, he lost to Goodluck Ebele Jonathan under Congress for Progress, CPC. But in 2015, Muhammadu Buhari defeated the incumbent president, Ebele Goodluck Jonathan under the All Progressive Party, APC. He was Nigeria's first opposition candidate to win a presidential election under APC. In 2019, Buhari was re-elected for the second term. He focused on 1. Anti-corruption fight, recovery looted funds. 2. Promoted transparency, but faced criticism for selective justice. 3. He claimed to tackle insecurity, but his term was full of insecurity to the extent that farmers were tuning away for their lives by massive Boko Haram, Fulani herdsmen, and kidnappers. All this was majorly let lost in his tenure. For economic policies were introduced such social investment programs like Empower and Trade Money, but faced recession in 2016 and 2020. 5. He signed the Petroleum Industry Act into law in 2021 to reform the oil and gas sector. His marriage and family. Muhammadu Buhari was married to 2 wives, namely Aisha Halalu and Aisha Buhari, common-law wife. He has several children and grandchildren. Some of his children are 1. Zulaihat Buhari, his daughter with Aisha Halalu. 2. Fatima Buhari, another daughter. 3. Halima Buhari, a daughter who has been involved in various philanthropic activities. 4. Yusuf Buhari, his son. 5. Zainab Buhari, his daughter, with many grandchildren. Personal life and assets. Buhari's personal life and assets have been subject to public security. Some notable aspects includes 1. Mansions. Muhammadu Buhari owns several properties, including his official residence in Aso Rock, Abuja. 2. Cars. Muhammadu Buhari has had armored vehicle for official duties, and many more. Legacy. Buhari's legacy is complex and multifaceted. While his presidency was marked by significant challenges, including economic struggles and security concerns, he also implemented policies aimed at improving the lives of Nigerians, but never worked out. His commitment to public service and his unwavering stance on issues have earned him both praise and criticism. Conclusion: Muhammadu Buhari's biography is a testament to his resilience and determination. From being head of state to president, from his early days as a military officer to his presidency, Buhari has remained a prominent figure in Nigeria politics. This video provides a glimpse into his life, family, and career, offering insights into the man H equals behind the public figure. Until next time I come on your way again, please like, subscribe, and share. Thank you. God bless you.